Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you stream on YouTube with Android Auto. So in order to stream YouTube with Android Auto, you need to follow these steps. So basically what you need is you have to use a third-party app like a CarStream. So you could find it in your Play Store, or if you cannot, you could also use the Google browser itself. So type in CarStream on your search bar. So likewise, here it is. This is the one. You go ahead and install this application. Once the application is completely installed, you also need to make sure that Android phone are running Android 0.6 or higher, and you also need to update the Android Auto and the YouTube app on your phone for the latest version from the Google Play Store. After which, you need to use a good quality USB cable or a stable wireless connection between your phone and your car. Once you're done installing the app, click the open button. Now it's gonna look something like this. So basically, you need to go ahead and click on the continue button. Now select what it is for car, and then select the car model. Maybe it's Toyota. You could go with that, and it's gonna take a while, so you just need to make sure to go ahead. Now what do you want to connect it with? Maybe a USB cable or Bluetooth. You could also go with Bluetooth itself, but I prefer going with USB cable. And now I need to enable this permissions. So here what I need is I have to go ahead and make sure to toggle the button for it. Stay awake as well as locking. Make sure to go ahead and enter in your PIN as well. And once you're done, click on the enable button and head back to the page. And then you also need to go ahead and check other permissions as well right on this page. Make sure to read all the terms and conditions, enable the desktop. Then once you're done with this procedure, what you have to do is after which you need to open the AAAD app. That is, you have to install it. You need to install it from the browser. So you have to install the APK version of AAD app or the AAD APK download. Then you just need to go ahead and connect the USB cable, do the same thing like I mentioned earlier, and you could start streaming YouTube on your car or Android Auto. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.